you guys want to know how I achieved this moisturized hair, please continue watching my video. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiara Tashe back with another video. As you guys can see, my hair is very brittle and I haven't washed my hair in about 2 weeks, so I had to do a deep conditioning video for you guys to show you guys what I use to deep condition my hair. So the first thing I like to do is just pick out my hair and just wet it a little bit. I know it looks like I'm being so rough on my hair, guys, but I promise you it just looks like that on the video, but I'm really not. It just helps me get my hands through my hair, and I don't like to do a full detangling. That's just me. Before I shampoo my hair, I like to just pick it out a little bit, and then once I'm in the shower or I get done shampooing, I'll do a full detangling. But I'm just picking it out. It's just gonna look like a little frizzy fro for now, you know. So I just got out the shower from washing my hair. It just still looks a little frizzy. That's just my hair texture, you guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Design Essentials Avocado and Almond Shampoo, my Intensive Hydration Hair Mask by SheaMoisture, some avocado oil, olive oil, and peppermint oil. And I'm gonna wet my hair first, and then I like to then apply my deep conditioner all through my hair from the roots to the ends. Girl, all the way through my hair, just so my hair can get the nutrients that it needs after not being washed and treated for 2 weeks. Y'all don't even understand. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Y'all, I'm sorry I just had to say this, but I know y'all catch that bounce. My hair just looks so soft, and it felt so soft as I was applying the deep conditioner on my hair. That's how I know that I needed that. I needed that moisture, okay? Like, my hair was so soft. Like, I have a good texture. It's just the fact that sometimes my curls and my frizziness really makes it look so bad. Now I'm going in with my Glow by Day heating cap and the shower caps that came with it. Y'all, when I tell you I have to put y'all on game to this, like, they shower caps is just like something else. Like, it literally fits perfectly all the way. You know how the other shower caps that you get from like Walmart kind of only fit half of your hair, and then like the back be slipping up, you know what I'm saying? These fit well. But I also put the heating cap on for about 1:30 on each side, or just a minute on each side, and still be good. I just like to have the heat really sink in my moisture in my hair, and I just let that sit, and then I go ahead and put the cap on. Now that it has been about 30 to 45 minutes, that's usually how long I let my heating cap stay on. It's time to take that baby off, y'all. And the thing I like about these caps, it also don't have the conditioner or anything leaking down your face, but I just like the fact like they hold well, and the heating cap does its justice. Like, look how curly and moisturized my hair looks. It just look all molded, but you can see the little spirals, girl. Like, come on now. And then look at this flow, baby. The flow and the shake. Who ain't got no inches, poo? I done came a long way. Inches, okay? And wait, let me slow it down for y'all. Ooh, look how that shake just shriveled. Y'all better stop playing with me. So So this is the final look of how my hair looks, you guys. I know my hair looks like different curl patterns. It's just how my hair is, but my hair was so moisturized and so soft, and I loved it. And I hope you guys love this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.